Hey guys, what's up? Today we bring you the ultimate guide to your rear suspensions. Now we have tried all the suspensions available in the market for the Aerox. We've imported them. We have tried it on different Aeroxes, either on mine or somebody else's Aerox, and then we have come to a simple solution. Now we start with the RCB VD series. This is the best suspension that you can put for the Aerox, but yes, it's very expensive, quite expensive actually. But it comes with two sets of springs, and yes, it is a very good suspension. Then after that we come to the most value for money suspension, which is the KTC Evo, and on your left this we have the KTC Extreme. These two suspensions are the most value for money suspensions that you can put for the Aerox. They are extremely comfortable. And all the suspensions that you see except the KTC Razor Pro, all the other suspensions come with all three settings: the preload, rebound and compression. All these suspensions have been tried by us, and after that we are giving you the ultimate guide. So coming here we have the RCB DB5. This is also a very good suspension, and from the house of RCB we are missing the RCB Flow Pro. I'm sorry, I mean it just got dispatched to another Aerox owners, and that's why I don't have it right now in front of me. Besides these suspensions, we have the KTC Razor Pro. Now this suspension has only a preload and a rebound. It doesn't have a gas canister, it doesn't have compression. But guys, it is very reasonably priced, and it is a very good suspension. I can tell you that positively because I have personally used this suspension. Me and another guy, we were traveling a long distance of 50 kilometers on this suspension, and we didn't feel a single jerk. It was extremely comfortable. What I'm trying to tell you is that yes, if you put a gas canister suspension, it is going to give you the ultimate comfort. But if your riding is not too much, if you're riding like 10-20 kilometers per day, it's just city drive, you can use this suspension also. It's a very good suspension. All these suspensions that you see are from reputed companies, and it is being tried and tested for the last 2.5 years since the time we are getting parts for the Aerox. And I don't want to make the video lengthy, so I'll just make it short. And these are the only suspensions: the RCB VD series, KTC Evo, KTC Extreme, RCB DB5, the KTC Razor Pro, and the RCB Flow Pro. These are the only 5-6 suspensions that we recommend. Trust me guys, we have tried every suspension available in the market. We have tried the VNDs, we have tried the Profenders. Now a new fake YSS suspension has just come. Some Delhi guys are selling it. You guys can put it. It's up to you. I'm not there to stop anyone from putting whatever they want to, but because we have tested all the suspensions on the market, that's why we are recommending this. Besides these, we are not recommending any other suspension because they are not good. That's all we can say. Sorry. So ये आप लोग का Aerox का नया बट ये आपका Aerox का सस्पेंशन, रियर सस्पेंशन के ऑप्शन है. RCB VD सीरीज है, KTC Evo, KTC Extreme, RCB DB5 एंड दी KTC Razor Pro. ये सारे सस्पेंशन हम लोग ने अपनी Aerox पे या किसी और के Aerox पे लगा के ट्राई करके उसको यूज़ किया है, फीडबैक लिया है लोगों से, उसके बाद ही हम रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं. इन सस्पेंशंस के अलावा हम लोग कोई दूसरे सस्पेंशन रिकमेंड नहीं कर रहे, बिकॉज टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट वो अच्छे नहीं है. देखिए, इट्स अवर पर्सनल ओपिनियन, एवरीबडी इज एंटाइटल्ड. हर किसी को अपना ओपिनियन देने में कोई रोक नहीं सकता, एंड दे हैव द फुल राइट टू गिव देयर ओन ओपिनियन. बट वी प्लीज ट्राई अंडरस्टैंड, अगर हम लोग ये मंगा रहे हैं, हम लोग बाकी भी मंगा सकते हैं, हम लोग सब बाकी भी सस्पेंशन मंगा सकते हैं. बट हम लोग क्यों नहीं मंगा रहे? बिकॉज हम लोग ने वो सब ट्राई करके देख लिया है, उसके बाद ही हम लोग आपको रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं. These all are very value for money suspensions, especially the KTC Evo. It is very reasonably priced and the ultimate suspension, as per my opinion and my opinion alone. It is the ultimate suspension that you can put for the Aerox. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and hope you got a clear understanding of what these rear suspensions for the best rear suspensions for the Aerox are. Okay guys, hope you like the video, hope you like what we are trying to explain to you guys, and thank you for all your support, and thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.